What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EagleEyeFX, and guys, I'm back again with another video of QM patterns. So I want to show you here a very beautiful trade on Cadchf. So I want to also show you that actually QM patterns, they also work on currencies in as much as it works on synthetics. So guys, remember to show some love by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and also turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime we post. So let's look at this particular point over here. So this is Cadchf, as you can see, and of course I want to show you several QM patterns here, and I want to show you also several divergences here. So you can see that I've started from the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, definitely you could have seen that we were actually on a downtrend. And what is a downtrend? A downtrend is when the market is giving us what? It's giving us lower lows and lower highs. So you can see that's a clear downtrend from the 4-hour time frame. But now let's look at the 4-hour time frame. That was the daily time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you notice something over here. And what do you notice? You notice that every time the market touches this level, there is a reaction to the downside. Here there's a reaction to the downside, and here there's a reaction to the downside. So how could we have traded this particular setup over here? So the first thing we want to do is we want to change this into a line chart. And if you remember, guys, we say that we want to see a break of structure, we want to see a change of character. Then once the market retraces back to this level, this shoulder here, then that's when we start looking for our sell setup. So this is how a sell QM looks like. So the first thing you want to do is I want to change this into a line chart. And from the line chart, you can see clearly here. What do you see here? We see a break of structure, we see higher highs, and then what do we see? We see lower lows. That's clear. Higher highs and lower lows. So what then you go back to your line, to your candles. So what we do is that, let me zoom this out. Then now you can of course just adjust this nicely there. Then we have that over there and that over there, like that. So what do you do also? You come in, now you come and mark this from this body and that wick over there. That's where we want to mark. Or you can actually just mark the whole body, depending. But you see, that's a very big zone, so maybe playing around with somewhere around it. That's the 4-hour time frame. Let's go down to the 1-hour time, the 2-hour time frame. And if you go to the 2-hour time frame, and even if you convert it to the line chart, you still see the same thing: higher highs and lower lows. So you can see that so what we'll be doing is that we will be waiting. And what will we be waiting? So we have here, we have our break of structure, we have our change of character. So we are waiting for the market to come and tap this zone for us to look for selling opportunities. Then we can move to the downside. And of course you can see here the market never got here, so maybe perhaps we could have actually missed that. But now as the market came down here, let's mark this nicely. Once the market came here, we can see another QM setup that formed here. And how do you look for that? We look for, on a downtrend, we want to see lower lows. We want to see the market breaking this level over here. We want to see this market breaking that is a change of character. Then once the market comes to this shoulder over here, then we are looking for buying opportunities. And what do you see here? Can you see that? Let me take this back a bit so that you can be able to see. So we have our lower lows there. All right, so the market broke that level, and then we have our what? We have our higher high. So what will you be doing? Then we come and mark this level over there. And what will you be doing? We'll be waiting for the market to come and tap this level. Once the market taps that level over there, then what are we looking for? We are looking to do what? We are looking to buy. And you can see that one actually played out. The next thing we want to do is that we want to use our awesome oscillator to look for divergence. And what do you see here? As the market was giving us lower lows, the awesome oscillators were giving us what? Higher lows. So that's a clear divergence. So once the market comes to tap this level, we are looking for what? we are looking to buy. And also you can see that another thing that happened is that even if you change this to the line chart, you can see lower lows and high high. Here as well, you see that the market actually gave us the lower lows. Let's go back to the candles. You can see that the market gave us the lower lows over here, and the indicator gave us what? Higher lows. So you can see that in as much as we were looking to buy at this particular point, there also another confluence, another divergence here, telling us that this market is about to reverse and move to the upside. And what happened? You can see it actually did buy massively. We are looking at a possible 120 pips. That is good. So let's extend this. What happened over here? You can see that finally the market actually committed itself to this particular level. So what will you be doing here? Of course, you wait for your confirmation. Once you get your confirmation, you enter over there, and look at that, another beautiful sell over there. So we have our divergences here. Now, when the market came to this level over here, what happened? Look at this. I want you to look at this particular point. From here, the market was giving us what? Higher lows. All right? And what was the oscillator doing? The oscillator was giving us what? Lower lows. Have you seen? So the market is giving us higher lows. The oscillator is giving us what? Lower lows. So definitely here we'll be looking to do what? That is what we call a hidden bullish divergence. Here also we'll be looking for another opportunity to do what? Another opportunity to buy to the upside. And you can see it went all the way. And even when it came back here, still when it came to this zone, it still gave us what? Another confluence over here. So you can see that as the market gave us higher high, the awesome oscillator was giving us what? Lower lows. Definitely we don't just trade every divergence we see. We want to use the QM patterns. The ones I will trade, for example, definitely I will trade this. This was a beautiful one. I will trade that. Then once the market came to tap this level, I will trade that. That is number 2. Then once the market also gave me this divergence, I will trade here, and that is what? That is number 3. So basically that's how you trade the QM pattern. You look for the direction of the market, and you can see where this QM pattern happened over here. You can see that it actually happened on the it was actually respecting this trend line. So it's either it's respecting a trend line, or it's respecting the support and what? The support and resistance. So basically that's how I have actually traded this this card CHF. That is how I will have gotten all these trades. So there's a trade here, there's a trade here, then there's another trade here. Even this one, there's another trade over here, and that's how to basically trade this QM pattern. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember to like, to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, remember to share, remember to leave us a comment on the comment section below, and we'll be happy to read from you. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.